Omada Controller site. In this video, I set up VLANs on TP-Link access points. Network config. WLAN. Create new wireless network. This is the model for connecting network devices. The router connects to the internet. Then it shares the internet connection through the switch. TP-Link access point. Access points access the same switch. On the router, two VLANs, 10 and 20, are set up. The router transmits the VLAN to the switch without decoding it. Next, the switch transmits the VLAN to the access points without decoding it. Tag VLAN 10, 20. On the access points, different wireless networks are created. Each wireless network decodes a different VLAN. One wireless network decodes VLAN 10 and another wireless network decodes VLAN 20. VLAN 10. VLAN 20. Follow these steps. Network name. SSID. SSID 1 VLAN 10. Security key. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Advanced settings. VLAN. Custom. By VLAN ID. VLAN ID. 10. Apply. SSID 1 VLAN 10. Complete creating a wireless network using VLAN 10. Continue creating another wireless network using VLAN 20. The above is how to set up VLANs on TP-Link access points. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Advanced settings. VLAN. Custom. VLAN ID. 20. Apply.